The purpose of this long, protracted sentencing was to offer you the one thing that this court believed you didn't give Mr. Dent: fairness and due process. Being a police officer is a tremendous and very rewarding occupation. I believe it's a calling on your life to do justice in the community. On January 28, 2015, you did not fulfill your job. You performed just us.
On January 28, 2015, former Inkster police officer William Melendez pulled over Floyd Dent for a minor traffic violation, but instead of issuing ticket, he brutally beat him on the roadside. The assault led to Melendez being charged and facing Judge Vonda Evans in court.
That began with a police stop. The purpose of it was to harass and degrade a motorist in Inkster. The man chosen for your game was Floyd Dent, a black man. The game went like this. Let's follow a car in a known drug area, and based on your years of training experience, you knew that the motorist would likely be a black person. No license, armed with a gun or drugs in a vehicle. Upon stopping Mr. Dent, you knew, and upon stopping Mr. Dent, who was dead wrong for driving with no license or license suspended, running stop signs, and weaving in and out of the back street, which the court saw in the video. You and your sidekick, auxiliary police officer Zelenowski, caught your prey. Upon being stopped, Mr. Dent put his hands out of the driver's window in plain view. Your partner and you pulled him out. When he didn't move fast enough for you, you refer to it as resisting. I call it bowing down to your command. You utilized your dirty, hairy tactics and used excessive force to arrest him. Your job was twofold: investigate the situation, be a positive example to Officer Zelenowski. When your posse arrived, they joined you in the takedown, kicking and tasing and ultimately throwing Mr. Dent into a windshield of a police car with a dash cam, which I refer to as the eye of justice. You were so into your bravado that you forgot the eye of justice was watching you and recording this disgusting beating, seeing Mr. Dent slammed into the window shield with blood running down his face. The dash cam that was designed to protect you ended up being what convicted you. Fist busting after taking him down as a sign of bravery was just another cowardly act caught by the eye of justice. After weighing the allegations in this particular matter and looking at all the circumstances, including what you've done and who the person I really believe that you are, I'm going to commit you to the Michigan Department of Corrections as to count 1 for no less than 13 months, no more than 10 years. As to count 2, I'm going to give you 90 days credit for time served and close it out. The court's going to give you 85 days for credit. You have 42 days to appeal my decision. That concludes this matter. Thank you.
Judge Vonda Evans methodically detailed every act of misconduct Melendez committed that night before sentencing him to 10 years in prison. Floyd Dent later secured a $1.4 million settlement from the city.
Go, go, go! Go, go! Last vehicle's a silver Suzuki SUV. Go, Brooklyn, go, Brooklyn, go, Brooklyn. Silver Titan? Go past me, Ryan. Sit tight. What's wrong, sir? What's wrong?
Law enforcement?
I'm sorry?
You guys law enforcement?
Are you okay?
I'm great. Are you law enforcement?
I'm asking you a question. Are you okay?
Meet Jeremy DeWitt, a notorious serial police impersonator, master of excessive profanity, and self-proclaimed law expert, who in reality knows nothing about the law and often finds himself facing court as a potential defendant.
If you're not law enforcement, I'm not stopping for you.
Listen, if you keep going, we'll figure it out real fast.
Let's figure it out real fast.
Florida Statute 316,
Are
1974
you
says
law enforcement,
we have
sir?
the right of way with
Are
emergency
you law
vehicles.
enforcement?
You need to sit tight, sir.
No, I don't.
You need to sit tight.
Answer my question.
I'm videotaping everything
I
right
don't
now.
care.
I'll get your tag number. If you continue the way you are, we'll
I'm
have to
asking
take
you a
care of the
question. If you're
situation.
law
I need you to
enforcement,
sit tight.
Would you let me speak? If you're law enforcement, identify yourself to me. What agency?
We're with Metro State, and we're a state certified agency. You sit right there, please,
don't
sir.
care. Do you have-
Thank you.
Can you write me a citation? Excuse me.
Come on, man. Get out of the f***ing way. I got to deal with this f***ing idiot. Move. Sit tight, sir. Please don't continue. Hey, boy. Hey, piece of boy.
Reach for it.
Mother boy. Go. Cars go. I got this. Let's go. Brooklyn, go back them up. Go figure it out. I got this. Go to the turning lane, recycle. The right side, I don't care. Mother.
Jeremy DeWitt was arrested in this case, but quickly released, only to resume his impersonation antics. His repeat offences led to another arrest, release on bond, and an upcoming trial that could land him up to 5 years in prison.
I'm from the sheriff's office.
Do you have any other weapons on your person at this time that I need to know about? RC?
No, sir.
No,
I
now?
do in the car.
Okay. What do you have in normal with?
A small pistol.
Okay. Your vehicle is also part of this search. Okay. So I'm going to have to ask you, do you have the keys to your automobile?
Yes, sir.
I need the keys to your automobile right now. Okay. Let me pat you down, make sure you don't have any other weapon. Just for your safety and ours. Okay. Just hang tight, we'll get all this resolved.
On February 23, 2017, attorneys Revel and Garcia left court after a hearing for their client, Lloyd Edwards, only to be confronted by police officers claiming to have a warrant to search Edwards.
The warrants that you all have are for his person
That's correct.
and for his vehicle.
That's correct.
So he is given the phone that's on his person.
Okay, I have video of him handing the phone to you, you handing the phone to her. It's in the satchel right now.
Yeah, you all do have that, but that is not on. When you all
No, I'm
came
out
on
here at
him
the
to
courthouse
serve
with
this
Brian
warrant,
on the search
that was
warrant.
not on his person. So you all are not entitled to that.
Okay. Well, all right then. We'll go the other route to get that other phone.
All right, you just gotta apply.
Okay, we're standing here, and we have it on video that he handed his cell phone to his attorney, one, and they handed it to another, and it's in the satchel that is right here.
Well, are we being detained?
At this moment in time,
They're not denying it. We have it
I'm
on
going
video.
to detain you until we determine the next course of action. Give me
Well,
just a minute.
what I have is
Okay.
person and vehicle.
I'm going to turn this off. I think what we just done.
Okay. Okay. We either need the phone out of the satchel or we will have to detain you and give search warrant to get the phone.
Okay. Well, we're not going to give you anything that's on our person that you don't have a right to. So if you detain us, you have to have certain constitutional safeguards to do that. But you're going to detain us, then hey, we're not going to run. So and you all are telling us we are being detained. Is that right?
Time right now, you are being detained. Now, they determine.
Okay. You both are under arrest for obstructing government operations.
Obstructing government operations.
That's correct.
Mr. Ashworth.
This is definitely an unlawful arrest. But we're under arrest. We're under arrest. Yeah, we're right.
I'm not sure you're in trouble for it.
Sir, if you would turn around, let me make sure you don't have no weapon on you.
Of course not.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
We have it on video.
We have not broken the law. So if you're arresting us, I'm being arrested for obstructing government operations.
That's correct.
Let me take out this right here.
If you don't mind, take them copies. That way it'll be a lot.
Real life. Y'all want to arrest two lawyers for this charge? You sure you are
Are you subject to the law?
I am subject to the law.
Under arrest.
Okay. And this is, who are you?
I'm Sue Ashworth.
Sue Ashworth.
That's correct. And this is Brian Ratliff.
And you're arresting us under her orders?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Deputy Ratliff, yes, I want to make sure that you know from our position was that this search warrant, this warrant was given to him after he gave us some things for us to use in his defense. And so we did not do anything to keep you all from doing you all's job. Now, if you all want to
I'm out here
this
with
satchel and go
the
through
sheriff's
and do it,
office at the courthouse.
we're not preventing you from
Do the
doing
search
it.
warrant on the car. And I'm out here just.
From the moment he's entered the courthouse, he's been under surveillance.
Yeah.
Okay? For the reasons of this search warrant. Alright? I'm sitting here and watched you and him and her.
Can't believe we get about 10 or 15 minutes. I'll be ready.
You looked up. Matter of fact, you did look up at the camera 2 or 3 times. He pulled the phone out and handed it to you. You handed it back to him. He was fooling with, I'm guessing, a password. And after a short period of time, he handed it back to you. You handed it to her. She put it in here. Okay? That is evidence for this search warrant.
And you agree with me that you all served this search warrant subsequent to that, after that, all right?
Yeah.
After we left out the building.
Yes.
The attorneys quickly struck back, filing legal action against the officers and arguing the warrant was issued only after the phone was no longer in Edward's possession, undermining the officers' claims. Some think they're above the law, until the courtroom proves otherwise, from violent roadside beatings to serial police impersonators to officers caught twisting the rules. These moments show exactly what happens when power is abused and justice steps in. Watch the full story unfold, moment by moment. Tell us in the comments which case shocked you the most, like the video. Share with someone who loves seeing justice served. Subscribe for more real-life courtroom showdowns.